Hello guys, Pulak Kumar here. Welcome to our channel Problem Solver team. Today we are going to start the basic program designing example. Example 1, stop fast latch circuit. Now this question you will come to your mind. What is it? This is latch circuit. The latch circuit basically remains the sum once the output is turned on. Now we will see how the circuit is working. Now this software WPL delta WPLsoft, this ladder diagram is complete. Now this see how the circuit is working. This is basically latch circuit. We will see how this working by giving some condition. Now this condition when the normally open contact x1 is on, x1 is on, the normally close contacts x2 is off, y1 will be on. If you make x2 on at this time, y1 will be off. This circuit compile and simulate this program. Now this compile circuit and simulate, then online mode. This is stop mode, run mode. When I press x1, y1 will be on, x2 is off, y1 on. If you make x2 is on at this time, y1 will be off, then x2 is on, y1 will be off. Thank you.